The following segment is sponsored by Guardian Roofing.
For Your Home Week continues here on AM Northwest with a look at one of the most important ways to protect your home. Tammy Hernandez introduces us to a roofing company that does everything from cleaning to replacement.
I'm at a home in Lake Oswego with Jackson Swain. He's a sales technician with Guardian Roofing. And you guys are new to Portland, but you're not new to the roofing business.
Correct.
Tell me more.
Yeah, that's right. So we've been in Portland for a year now, and it's been great. We've really established ourselves down here. But we are not a new company in general. You know, we've been up in the Puget Sound area serving homeowners up there for the past 20 years. And it's been nice because we've been able to really take our knowledge and expertise that we've developed up there and bring it down here and have been able to serve Portland homeowners. And we're here for the long run and we're happy to be here.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about this job because you have done a lot to this house. It's
Totally.
a big, beautiful house.
Big home, that's right. You know, these folks originally had a cedar shake roof that had been on their home for 30 plus years.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right. And they called us out originally because they noticed a leak that was developing. And when I came out here, did a thorough inspection, I actually discovered multiple leaks and several other issues with the roof in general. So in this case, it made more sense to replace the roof. Not only that, but we're also doing some chimney repairs for them, replacing their gutters and upgrading their insulation too.
And you were telling me that when you're doing all of this kind of work, the insulation is actually a great add-on because everything's already opened up, so why not?
Totally. We're already out here. It's the best way to access the attic space is just pull off a sheet of plywood, get in there, and honestly, it's my favorite part of the job because it's what gives you the best result as far as gutters are great, but it's more of a functional purpose.
Yeah.
The insulation side of things actually pays for itself over time because you're reducing the amount of energy that you're using in the home. So
yes,
great.
Exactly.
And you're more comfortable. So
right. Okay. Now, how do you know when it's time to do a full replacement of the roof or if you can just repair little patches here and there?
Totally, that's a really good question. And before Guardian makes any sort of recommendation, we first do a really thorough inspection. We're not just gonna fly a drone around and take photos, but we actually get up there and take a look at all the components and the details. We go up in the attic space as well. That way we can really assess the condition of the roof and any issues that it has. And I mean, we understand that roof replacement is a big investment for your home. So anytime that we're able to do a successful repair on your existing roofing system and make it last, we're always going to go that route first. That's kind of one of the things that makes Guardian a little unique.
Right, and people can depend on you giving an honest answer about that.
Totally.
You're not going to like force them into a total roof repair if they don't need it.
Exactly. We're the original make your roof last company. So
I love that.
Yeah, it's great. We really want to make sure we're getting the most out of the existing roofing system before you have to replace it.
Okay, now let's talk about the gutters because you
Totally.
said they are doing the gutters. I talked to the guy that's doing the gutters. He said he can get this job done in 12 hours and he's making them in that truck back there.
That's right, yep. So this is what's called K-Guard. It's something that we exclusively have here at Guardian.
Okay.
And it's designed to be a very low maintenance gutter system. So obviously it's pretty common here in Portland to have all these trees surrounding the home, dropping debris.
Which is great.
Oh yeah.
But not the dropping debris
Lots of shade,
part.
but lots of maintenance too. So
yeah.
With our system, you never have to get up on a ladder to clean the gutters out again. Very low maintenance. And we actually customize each gutter project on site for the home that we're installing it on. Has a lifetime no clog warranty. And it gives the home a nice, clean aesthetic look too.
Oh yeah. And now when you replace a roof, does that mean you should probably replace the gutters too? How does that work?
Yeah, it really depends on the existing condition of the gutters and how well they've been maintained. However, it is a really good time to do it when you are replacing the roof because we're already out here and it's a good opportunity to upgrade to a product like K-Guard that is going to be lower maintenance and just kind of tie the whole system in together and make it look really nice.
Okay, now let's talk about some other great things about Guardian Roofing. One of them is that everybody works for the company. These are not contractors.
Totally, and that's really important, especially on a job like this. As you can see, it's a very steep pitch. It's what we call a 1312. And whenever you have a roof like this, you want to make sure you have an established company who's competent enough to tackle this.
Yes.
All of our guys are all in-house. We don't subcontract anything out. And they're also trained and certified, not only by us, by all of the material manufacturers as well, so that they do it the right way. Guardian is a platinum preferred contractor with Owens Corning. And the cool thing about that is not only do we have the best warranties, but we have a variety of different options to fit all budgets and style preferences too.
Okay, and you do so many great things for the house, and everybody's employed by Guardian Roofing, which is such a great selling point.
Correct, yeah, that's right. And whenever you are replacing your roof, as I mentioned before, It is a big investment, and when
Yeah.
you're spending that much money on your home, you want to make sure that you're working with a company that you can really trust and
Yeah.
that you know is going to take care of you from start to finish, and that's what we do.
So if you want more information about Guardian Roofing, they've been in Portland a whole year now. We're going to have a link to their website. You'll find that on our website at khu.com. Thanks so much, Jackson.
Of course, yeah, thanks for coming out. It's been great.
My pleasure.
Of course.
Back to you.